Vlad, Nikki, Chris, do you want to go camping today?
Yeah, that would be awesome. Cool.
Great, let's go.
Wow, cool. Let's go.
Here we are at the campsite,
Yeah, this place is cool. I like it.
but I feel like something's missing. Kids, let's build a fire.
That's a great idea. Yes, I like it. Yes. Cool choice. Let's build a campfire base. Move the slider to open the box. Rub the matchbox to light a match. We need to light the campfire.
Great. Kids, do you want to go fishing?
Yeah, yes. What a nice place. Let's get started. Pick the best fishing gear. Great choice. Now let's color your fishing gear. Cool. Put all the parts in the right place. I love it. Move the slider. Now turn the reel handle. Wow, that's an awesome fish. Super. So much fun. I love it. Awesome. Well done. You got so many stars.
Kids, let's cook the fish. I think we're all getting hungry.
Yeah, us too. Cool. Great choice. First, we need to clean the fish. Grab the scraper and rub it over the fish. Let's add some lemon and herbs. Now sprinkle some salt and pepper. Awesome! Awesome! Place the grill and put the fish on top. The fish is ready. Let's take it out. Awesome! Well done! You got so many stars!
That was so delicious. Great job, kids. Let's go play at the fun meadow.
It's awesome. Yeah. Pick a game you